Attention, all bosses in the medical industry. We help you efficiently solve the challenges of custom sampling for your medical device enclosures. Professional medical grade ABS material. CNC precision machining. 72-hour rapid prototyping. Medical device enclosures, precision components, rehabilitation equipment prototypes. Surface treatment supports processes such as painting, electroplating, and more. Perfectly replicate the appearance effect. A professional team oversees the entire process, ensuring medical-grade quality. Urgent orders are prioritized for production and processing solutions are provided free of charge. Click to inquire for more discounts.